You found a story. This story is called
Let's Make a Cake.
Tap on the arrow to start.
Let's make a cake, Miss Lucy said. Then we can eat the cake, FoFo said. What kind of cake should we make? Miss Lucy asked. Zari wanted to make a pink cake. FoFo wanted to make a snake cake. What kind of cake did Zari want to make? How about a pink snake cake? Miss Lucy asked. Yes, a pink snake cake, Zari said. It's fun to make a pink snake cake, FoFo said. Now we wait for it to bake, Miss Lucy said. To bake means to draw, cook, eat. Cook. Time to share our pink snake cake.